What do you think?
Good. It's it's gonna be really loud soon. But first it's blowing, and then it will do a eruption. Then the really big hot water will come. Up comes it. I make the noise.
You did a good noise.
What it's gonna? It's first it's gonna do a eruption first, and then it's gonna blast up into the sky. Then it'll come down eruption. Then it will be all gone. And then we'll have to do it again. Yeah, we can do that again. Yeah, here we go. Well, let's do an eruption now. Then it'll be look at it. Look at it. Oh, there's the volcano.
And there's the chunks of rock.
What?
Chunks of rock coming out.
It's coming off of the cars.